If you're a bookkeeper, we built 3 tools just for you. All 3 live on Etsy at NicheToolkits. All 3 open in your browser. No install, no subscription. Your data stays on your machine. Let's walk through them. First, the Bookkeeping Business-in-a-Box. $197. 30 files. 1 zip. The operating system for a profitable practice. It starts with a 36-page operations playbook. Real cost of doing business math. The standardized 10 business day monthly close. Cleanup engagement scoping with the per month of mess formula. 7 editable forms cover every client touchpoint. Engagement letter. Intake. Scope addendum. Monthly close checklist. Invoice template. Scope change letter. Disengagement letter. A working pricing calculator. 152 live formulas. Basic, standard, and premium tier math. The annual rate increase script bookkeepers freeze on. 30 LinkedIn captions. 10 email templates. A Google business profile setup checklist. The review request sequence that actually works. Hiring SOPs. 3 job descriptions. An interview question bank. The practical reconciliation exercise. 30-day onboarding. A full QBO and 0 training manual. Local SEO quick start. 5 city page templates. 5 blog post outlines. For ready-to-paste JSON LDs. If you finished Bookkeeper Launch or QBO Pro Advisor and now need the operating system, this is it. Second, the Bookkeeper Practice Manager. $47. 1 HTML file. 12 tabs. Your daily cockpit. The dashboard shows active clients, monthly revenue, hours, and your on-time close percentage. A This Week feed surfaces every upcoming deadline and overdue invoice. The Clients tab tracks vertical, software stack, retainer, transaction volume, and tier for every book on your roster. Monthly Close is where this tool earns its price. One-click roll forward clones last month's checklist into this month for every active client. Spreadsheets cannot do that. The workflow board is a real Kanban. Drag jobs between 6 columns. Not started, in progress, awaiting client, QA, sent, done. Deadlines calendar. Color-coded by urgency. Auto-populate the federal annual calendar with 1 click. Export to ICS. Drop straight into Google, Apple, or Outlook. The pricing engine builds cleanup quotes and retainer proposals from your own CODB math with print-ready client-facing PDFs. AR aging buckets. A polite comms log. Stale clients view. Document vault. KPI reports. 12 modules sharing the same data. 1 tab in your browser. Third, the cash flow dashboard. $47. For solo bookkeepers and the small business clients you serve. Track every income and expense with a date, category, description, and payment method. Cash on hand calculates in real time. Runway shows up immediately based on a trailing 3-month burn rate. Forecasts at 30, 60, and 90 days. A 6-month cash flow chart. Top expense categories surfaced for the current month. Recurring transactions for rent, subscriptions, and retainers auto-create on schedule. Dark mode. Mobile-friendly. 13 currencies. Switchable fiscal year start. Multi-business by default. Just duplicate the file. Each copy keeps its own data. No license fees per business. 3 tools for bookkeepers. The Business-in-a-Box is the operating system. The Practice Manager is the cockpit you sit in. $291 for the full set. Or pick one and grow into the others. All at NicheToolkits on Etsy. Browser-based. One-time payment. Yours forever. Find us. Search NicheToolkits.